Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I'm going to share a very quick Moraiyo Khichadi recipe that will be prepared in just 15 minutes. And this is very healthy, and this is one kind of millet, that is barnyard millet. So very easy to digest, and it is very good option for if you are dieting. And also this khichdi can be have on your fasting days. So let's go over to the ingredients. So here I have taken 1 cup of Moraiyo, that is also known as Sama, and in English it's called a barnyard millet. So I have taken 1 cup of Moraiyo, 2 tablespoons of raw peanuts. This is optional, but this gives a good nutty flavor. And 1 cup of potato. This is not a boiled potato, this is a raw, and I have cut them in a square pieces, small. And 1 teaspoon of ginger chili paste, or according to your taste, and some curry leaves. And I will also take some oil, jeera, that is cumin seed, and salt for seasoning. So now start the recipe. So here I have soaked the Moraiyo for 10 minutes. I have washed Moraiyo for at least 2 to 3 times, and just soak them for 10 minutes. So I will prepare it in a pressure cooker, so that's how it will be ready in just 10 minutes. So prep time will take 5 minutes, and the cooking time is 10 minutes. So in the pressure cooker I have taken 1 teaspoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Ghee is optional, but the ghee gives a good taste. So once the oil get hot, I will add 1 teaspoon of jeera. So once you see the jeera is crackling, we will add peanuts. So this is raw peanuts, so we need to roast it. So just roast it until it changes the color. Once you see it has changed its color, so now we will add potato. And we will saute the potato for a couple of minutes. Actually, I forgot to add curry leaves before potatoes, so you can add curry leaves before potato. It doesn't make any difference in a taste. And here I have added 1 teaspoon of chili ginger paste, and now we will mix it all very well and saute it for another 2 minutes. Now it's time to add Moraiyo. So we will add the soaked Moraiyo. Now give it a good mix, and also roast it for, saute it for another minute or so. Once you see it's all mixed well, we will add water. So for measurement, if you have taken 1 cup of Moraiyo, then 5 cup of water is good. And if you want to make with the buttermilk, it's also a good option. So here I'm adding 5 cups of water. So if you would like to add a buttermilk, then you can add 3 cups of water and 2 cups of buttermilk. Give it a good mix, and now we will add salt. You can also use the fasting salt, that is Sindh salt. I am using regular salt. So I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt here. For vegetable, you can add more vegetable. If you are eating any lauki or carrots or any kind of other vegetables, you can add it. But we usually eat only potato and sweet potato. So here I have only added potato. Now give it a good mix. And we will wait until the water gets its boiling point. Keep the flame on a medium high. Once you see the water is boiling, we will cover the lid and pressure cook it for 2 whistles on a medium high heat. Once you see the pressure is released, then we will open the cooker and you can see it's perfectly cooked. You can see it's not stick to the bottom. That is perfect. So this is perfect measurement, like 1 cup of Moraiyo and 5 cups of water. That is perfect measurement, and this will give you a semi-solid texture. So do try with this measurement, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.